Hello everyone, this is the Energy Pedal 1 exercise. A few basic things about cautery on the robot. On the left side you got your bipolar cautery, which means that energy is flowing between 2 points. And on the right side you have the monopolar cautery, which has coagulation and cut mode. This corresponds to 2 buttons on your right foot. The leftmost button on your right foot is going to be your left instrument, so it's going to be the bipolar cautery. It can be a little confusing. You're pressing both the left and the right buttons with your right foot. Your right instrument, it has 2 buttons on the rightmost side of your right foot. The small button on the top is the monopolar cut mode, which is used on the little balls on the screen. And the largest button on the bottom is going to be the monopolar coagulation mode, which corresponds to the big balls on the screen. And the little dumbbell-shaped instruments on the screen correspond to the bipolar cautery. Not much to say here besides always make sure you have a firm grasp of the structure before applying cautery, and always make sure to stop applying cautery as soon as you're done ligating the structure that you're interested in, so that you don't inadvertently injure any adjacent structures.